Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be covering one question based on the simple interest. The question is like a sum of 44,000 is divided into three parts such that the corresponding interest earned after 2 years, 3 years and 6 years may be equal. So you want the simple interest earned to be equal after this duration where rate of simple interest are 6, 8 and 6 per annum respectively. So this is for the students of CA foundation examination. And what I want to do, I want to solve this problem very quickly. So how I can do this? The basic way to solve this kind of a problem where you want this equal amount of simple interest is as follows. The first thing that you need to do is just write the years that you have, that is first amount. For an example, let the amounts be ABC. The first amount is invested for 2 years, this is for 3 years, this is for 6 years, and this at the rate of what? At what rate? This is for 6% rate, this is at 8% rate, and this is at 6% rate. Then from this, you just try to calculate what is a total interest that they are going to get out of it in percentage. So 6% for 2 years, that means it is 12%. 8 for 3, that is 24%, and this is nothing but 36%. So this is nothing but the interest that they are going to get. Find out the ratio of it. So ratio is nothing but 1 is to 2 is to 3. I called this at the effective rate ratio. The answer that you want is what? What do we want? We want the same interest, for which we need to divide this sum into three parts. The sum must be divided in the ratio which is inverse of this. So I want to find out the inverse ratio of this. What is the process of finding out the inverse ratio? If I want to find the inverse ratio for the 1, I'll write the rest 2 number, that is 2 and 3. So it is 2 into 3. For 2, I'll write rest 2 number, that is 1 and 3. So it is 1 into 3. For 3, I'll write rest 2 number, that is nothing but 1 and 2. So that is nothing but 1 into 2. So that came out to be what? That came out to be 6 is to 3 is to 2. So the money is divided in this ratio. If the money is divided in this ratio, then you will get the same simple interest after the corresponding duration. What they are asking for? They are asking for the smallest part of the sum. The smallest part of the sum is basically this 2. This 2 out of total how much? This 2 out of the total of 11 parts, right? So the smallest sum is equal to 2 out of total 11 of what amount? Of the total amount. Total amount is 44,000. So this became what? This became 4,000, and hence the final answer is going to be 8,000. Understood? So what is the process? Process in simple interest. If you want the same simple interest, write the year, write the percentage, find out the effective rate ratio, take the inverse ratio of it. Whatever is the inverse ratio, the money should be divided in this ratio. Right? So step 1, find out effective rate. Step 2, find out the inverse ratio, and you are all done. Okay? Understood? So I hope you like this video. If sure, then like it, share it with your friend and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye.